we're inside Paupers now, and Ron prepares to have his first taste of the soup. And for Ray, it's the old pâté maison.
Sounds like being on a sail.
It sure is.
Lovely.
So you enjoying the steak there at Paupers there, Ron?
Excellent, as usual, beautiful steak.
So, what have you went for tonight?
T-bone medium rare.
And highly recommended?
Highly recommended.
Very good. I went for the T-bone medium, which is also very, very juicy and delicious. And over there you see the phone. I have just received a text from Aussie J asking if I'm okay. You better not tell her I'm at Paupers. I'll make her jealous. But you have a look at Paupers here. As this, we're a little bit quiet this evening. In fact, we're the only people in the restaurant. Boy, am I looking forward to getting stuck into that.